Good afternoon, April the 11th, 2016. Time to wrap up today's trading. We came into today, it was Monday, no news to drive the markets, not a lot of news overnight. We thought we had a trading range and that the high volume numbers at 2056, 2057 was probably best resistance, and the high volume number at 2041 was probably best support. So we have to give it a little bit of room, so we came in wanting to sell inside that number and buy above the 2041. Now the market broke late and got into our second buy area, which is at 2035, 2037. So pretty quiet Monday trading, all said and done. We're on a 5-minute chart. We're trying to slow things down a little bit, not to take 15, 17, 18, 20 plus trades a day. The first trade that set up for us was a retest failure trade, and if you traded it perfectly, good for 5 points. Another retest failure trade off the top, or this S, if you traded it perfectly, 7 points. This S was good for 1 to 2. We counted it for 1. This S was just good for 3. We counted that as 3. This buy was a scratch. Could have pulled a point out of it. This high or low right here gave us 4 points if you traded it perfectly. This mean green trade S gave you 3 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure was a scratch, and then late in the session, right in here, that was the trade of the day. That gave you 11 points if you traded it perfectly. So pretty quiet trading, 10 trading possibilities, no losers. That's unusual. Usually have a couple of 3. And it ended up at 20 points if you only took 3 points on each of your winning trades max. Hey, we want to give you 5 free days in the main room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. We concentrate on the E-mini because that's where most people want to be, but we really have some great trades in crude and the 30-year bond. In that 5 free day period, you'll get to see me trade live. You'll get to see the software and methodology work live, real time. We typically get 3 to 7 live trades a day. At the end of those 5 days, you should have enough information to evaluate our services and whether they make sense for you. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.